There are a number of items you will want to verify before you submit your first electronic plan in order to ensure the best ePlans experience. Let us first look at proper preparation of drawings for ePlans. First, you should note that each sheet of the plan set must be uploaded into the ePlans software as a single sheet. If your drawing files are combined into a single large file, you will need to save the individual sheets as independent files. This brings us to the matter of file names. In order to facilitate the management and review of electronic files, all sheets are required to follow certain naming conventions. The file name must be a combination of a discipline character, A for architectural sheets, E for electrical, M for mechanical, and so forth, followed by a 3-digit sheet number. Leading zeros will be required in order to provide a consistent file structure and facilitate such elements as searching, filtering, and sorting of drawing sheets. Cover sheets and general notes may omit the lead discipline character so that they will be listed first in the default view of the plan's files. Following the alphanumeric designation should be a brief description of the sheet contents. For example, a typical file name might be A001 underscore first floor plan or S006 underscore foundation. Finally, file names must be limited to no more than 50 characters. Electronically submitted plans must contain a seal and electronic signature with signature protection on each sheet. Alternatively, you may sign and seal the cover sheet alone only if the cover sheet provided has a table of contents. In accordance with the Virginia Department of Professional and Occupational Regulation as detailed in Virginia Administrative Code 18 VAC-10-20-760 Part C, an electronic seal, signature, and date are permitted to be used in lieu of an original seal, signature, and date when the following criteria and all other requirements of this section are met. 1. It is a unique identification of the professional. 2. It is verifiable. And 3. It is under the professional's direct control. Now let's look at configuring your browser for optimal performance with the Project Docs software. If you're using Internet Explorer, the first thing that you're going to want to do is install the Project Docs components. Beneath the login screen on the title page for Project Docs, you will find a small banner. Within the banner, there's a link to install Project Docs components. When you click the link, you'll get a pop-up window that allows you to either run or save the installation program. You may do either. It will install the add-on components into the Internet Explorer browser so that it functions properly with the software. Next, also within the banner, you may wish to create a desktop shortcut. There is an icon that you can drag directly to your desktop to create a shortcut to the Project Docs site. And finally, should you wish to add this to your favorites in your browser, you can simply click here to add to your favorites. Next, we'll address some security options to allow the Project Docs software to function properly. Enter the Tools menu and select Internet Options. Select the Security tab, and we're going to add Project Docs to our trusted sites. So we'll click on Sites and enter the Project Docs address into the trusted sites. Then we click Add, and you can close that window. Next, we'll go to the Privacy tab. And because Project Docs uses cookies, we want to allow cookies from this site. So we'll select Sites and repeat our address here. And click Allow and say OK. And then finally, very important, we allow pop-ups to function within this site. So we're going to go into Settings if you have your pop-up blocker turned on, and once more enter our address here. And select Add. Finally, select OK, and that will finalize the changes. Now you may need to close and reopen your browser for those changes to take effect, but in making these configuration settings, you'll ensure that the Project Docs software operates properly within Internet Explorer. Finally, should you require additional assistance with ePlans, you can contact our Customer and Technical Support Center at 703-222-0801.